Hashup just came out with a new update requiring a KYC if you want to withdraw from the app. That means people with multiple accounts or from countries that don't allow crypto won't be able to withdraw from Hashup anymore. But I just had my KYC verified instantly, so I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how that's done. In your profile tab, you're going to scroll down to where it says identity verification, and then you're going to click continue verification or complete verification at the bottom. And that'll take you to a website called Did It, where you'll verify your identity. I use my driver's license. It'll have you do the front and back of your driver's license. And then you'll do a live screen recording where you'll show your head, left, right, up and down. Just a pretty normal KYC. But afterwards, I was instantly verified. So I've been collecting some Solana, and I have enough to withdraw. So I'm going to do a Solana withdrawal to a Coinbase wallet just to show you how it's done after you verify your KYC. So in your withdrawal, you're going to click Solana like I just did. Then you're going to click the Solana network. And then we're going to go to our Coinbase real quick to copy our address. So in our Coinbase wallet for Solana, we're going to click Transfer, and then Receipt Crypto. And then we're going to copy our address. And then back into Hashup, we're going to paste our address. And then click Withdrawal. Withdrawal request created. So I'll come back and I'll let you know how long it took for me to receive my Solana. And before I could even get out of my seat, it was sent right to my Coinbase wallet. Pretty nice. So let's do a different coin at this point. I'm going to do one of my A tier coins. Let's do Litecoin. So let's scroll down and find Litecoin. It's one of these. Docs, Ethereum. There it is. So let's slide this all the way over to the right. Okay, so next time I have any update with Hashup, I'll do a Litecoin withdrawal as well. So I have to ask all of you, has this affected you? I know that mine went through instantly, but I know that hasn't been the case for everybody in my Discord community. But that being said, this is another sign that this could be around for the long haul. They did kick a lot of people out, and you can think that's bad, but adding a KYC, I don't think adding, the security, making sure you only have one account is a bad thing in my opinion. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you do invest into this, just know you are taking a risk. It does have good APRs. Seems legit. The support is good. But just know that anything with, this kind of cloud mining, not knowing if they have real ASICs, you are taking that risk. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And if there's any updates to Hashup and generally any other cloud mining app that we use, I'll let you know right away. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my Hashup referral code that you see on the screen. It supposedly gives me some hash rate when people use the Faucet, but I really just see mine lowering every day, so I'm not sure how that's working so far. But please use my referral code. I'm sure it still will help me at some point, and I appreciate you for everybody who has used it so far. And if you feel like I give value to you, I did open up memberships for $1 a month. I don't take sponsorships from any of these companies to keep these completely unbiased. And whenever I see I get a new member, it makes my day, so it's greatly appreciated. One thing is I do have one new member. Thank you, Sam Mins. It means the world to me. But as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.